Hey guys, it's Steve on the Guru Brew. This video is about using and creating restore points. If things go badly on your computer and you have a problem where the computer won't start up or it's not acting correctly, something weird's going on, you think you might have a virus, or you knew that you did something but you're not sure how to reverse it to get back to the way it was. The restore points are your answer, or they can help a lot anyway. And the restore points are something that's elementary to computer techs and advanced users. This video is for those that don't know about restore points, that want to protect their system. It's kind of like a backup for your system files. Now, this doesn't protect your user data, but using restore points won't harm it either. And if you do have a system problem, let's say you threw away an important system file inside your C drive accidentally, this tool can set back your computer to the way it was before that happened. Now, your restore points are automatically created. The Windows system automatically makes them. It generally will make a new restore point about every week on a Windows 7 machine, and sometimes daily on an XP machine. It just depends on how often you use it and what you're doing. It'll also detect if you're making system changes or you're installing programs, that sort of thing, and it may create a restore point then. And if you've watched any of my other videos on the Guru Brew, you know that I've actually gotten rid of malware and certain viruses by using restore points, because the virus itself affects the system settings, and that's how it lives on your machine. So we're going to talk about creating restore points and looking at your restore points, and then how to use them if trouble should come up. So let's get started. Okay, I'm working on a Windows 7 machine. Now this will work for Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, and 8, so follow along appropriately. We're going to first look at our system restore settings. So let's come into our search box and type in System Protection. And you'll get a list here of quite a few things from the control panel. And the first one that we're looking for is to create a system restore. And it's right here, create a system restore point. Now you'll get a window that looks like this, and you can see that we're on the System Protection tab. And you can read through here. But if I look down through my protection settings, you can see all my available drives and hard drives and floppy drives and any kind of storage device on this machine. And the only one that's on for me currently is my C, my system. And that's generally the only one that you need, is the C. And I'm going to go ahead and click this configure button and just show you some of the settings in here. Generally, you won't have to mess with these settings. Like I said, this is an automatic thing that Windows sets up for you. And it's pretty intelligent on knowing when to do a backup. But if you are worried about doing something to harm your computer, but you want to try it anyway, it might be best to come here and create a restore point first, and then go ahead and experiment with your computer. So I wanted to just show you some of these settings and how it works. You can also delete restore settings if you want to do that, but I don't recommend it. Let's cancel this. The button I wanted to show you is right here. It's called Create a Restore Point Now for the drives that you have system protection turned on for. And again, my C drive is the only one that's on, so that's what it's going to do. Now, if I want to restore my computer after I made a backup, I can use this button. We'll do that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and create a restore point. Now I can enter a description in here, and let's say I'm about ready to do something crazy with my computer, so I just want to make sure it's okay. So I'm going to save it as Steve Insurance. Steve's Insurance. That's great. Now you can see it's going to take a few minutes because it's going through all your registry files, all your setting files. It's gathering all this information and making a file and then saving it off in case we need it. This is an insurance policy. So let's watch this finish and then I'll be back. Okay, so the restore point was successfully created. We can close that now. Now let's say we have a problem and we need to restore our computer back to that one that we just made. You can use this button up here and go right to the system restore, or you can just type in restore in your search box. We'll do that. If I type in restore, we're going to hit next on this. And you can see that we have two restore points. The first one is the one I just made, and it has a date and time on there, so I knew exactly when I made it. And it also says manual, which means I manually made it. And then the one right below it was also made today, and that's a system type, and that means that my system automatically created that one. Now, I've just recently deleted most of the restore points on this computer, but you might have a whole list of them here. If you click on this button right here, you may get more that pop up in this list. Again, I only have 2, but you may have, a whole month's worth. And so let's say I messed up my computer yesterday and I need to restore it back the day before. I can click on the date the day before, but I don't have that, but you probably will because you're not going to delete yours. But that's how you would do it. So if I wanted to reinstall this one, I want to restore to the Steve's Insurance, I can click on this and hit the next button. It's going to confirm that I want to do it, and so then I hit the finish button and it will restart the computer, but when it comes back up it'll let me know that it's restored, and it will give me the option to undo the restore if I don't like it. So that's it. You're probably watching this video because you know that you need to restore your computer, or you're looking for a way to create a restore point. So I hope this helps you out. Questions and comments, take them below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave us a thumbs up and a comment if you wish. If you have your own question that you would like answered, please head over to the gurubrewshow.com website, click on the Ask a Tech link, and leave a question, and maybe we'll answer it in an upcoming show. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.